If you're tired of dealing with lag delay or timing issues while recording or performing in Ableton Live 12, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix latency step by step, so your recordings and MIDI performances are perfectly in sync. Let's jump right in and make your setup fast and responsive. First is open your Ableton Live 12 app, go to Live and Preferences. In the audio, find the buffer size and make it lower samples, but it always depends on you. If you want to go lower or in the midway, it's always up to you, and that's how you fix latency in Ableton Live 12. With just a few tweaks in your audio settings, you can eliminate that frustrating delay and get back to producing and recording in real time. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or tips in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Stay creative and stay in time.